In this video, we will discuss the Design a Workflow tab. This tab is primarily used to guide the user through linking applications together to build a workflow for specific analyses. The first tab under Design a Workflow will show different workflows based on the current data uploaded. Select your project in the Select from Uploaded Data drop-down menu. For example, the OMIC project of proteomics data currently has two options available. We can see that given our object, the first workflow is to use PMART to analyze the data and mode for visualizations. The second option is to combine the OMIC project of proteomics data with other OMIC projects of different omics type and use IPMART, then visualize it in mode. Notice how selecting different projects will change the recommended workflow. The recommended workflow for an OMIC project suggests using PMART, then visualizing the result in mode. The recommended workflow for multi-omics projects suggests using IPMART, then visualizing the result in mode. The next tab, Build with a Scenario, lets the user explore different workflow options based on the kinds of data that can be selected under the data processing dropdown and whether they want to visualize data after analysis. For example, if we select 2+ omics datasets along with yes for visualization, it will tell us we can first upload multi-omics data, then use IPMART, and finally visualize the results in mode. Remember that these workflows are only suggestions built to help new map users.